Alright, you want more views on your YouTube videos? Let's be real. It all starts with how you upload your video. Yeah, seriously. There are a couple of secrets that can turn a random upload into a full-on view magnet, and I'm about to spill them. First, before you even hit that upload button, double-check your content. Is your thumbnail eye-catching? Does your title make someone want to click? Thumbnails and titles are like your video's handshake. If they're boring, people just walk away. Think bold colors, big text, maybe even a surprised face. That stuff works. Now let's upload. On YouTube, hit the little camera icon in the top right, then select Upload Video. Super simple. But here's where the magic happens. As your video uploads, the details page pops up. This is your chance to shine. First, the title. Don't just call your video My Vlog #3. Instead, try something like, I tried uploading like top YouTubers. Here's what happened. Use keywords people are actually searching for. Next up, the description. This is important. Write a quick summary of your video, include a couple of hashtags, and don't forget to ask people to subscribe. You can even add a link to another one of your videos. Keep viewers in your world. Now tags. I know people say they don't matter, but they actually help YouTube know what your video is about. Think of words people might use to find your video and add them in. Don't skip the thumbnail. YouTube lets you upload a custom one. Do it. I always use bright colors, readable text, and something that makes people curious. After that, pick the right playlist. Playlists boost your views by getting people to binge your stuff. Click Add to Playlist and select one that fits your video. Here's a secret: schedule your video. If you upload at the right time, more people will see it instantly. Check your analytics to see when your viewers are online, or try uploading in the afternoon or evening. And finally, once your video is live, share it. Put it on your socials, send it to friends, even drop it in group chats. The more people who see it early, the better YouTube will treat your video. So there you go. Uploading isn't just about clicking a button, it's about making every choice count. Nail your title, thumbnail, and description, use those tags and playlists, and share your video everywhere. That's how you turn a simple upload into a view machine. Now go upload something awesome, and watch those views roll in.